Good evening, children. I am back again with another very interesting topic. A very short video today I will make, as because I relocate from Lucknow to Vadodara, and I have joined a new school. For that reason, last 1 month I was little busy with my some other work. So for that reason I could not able to make the video. So today I will make a very small but very important topic, that is the CSV. This chapter is this portion is very important for class 12 computer science and IP student. Now in this video, today we will discuss what you mean by CSV, what is importing and exporting data between the CSV file and the data frame. All right, so this portion is very important, children, so be with me up to the end of my tutorial, and please like and subscribe my channel. So before starting, we have to know what you mean by CSV. All right. So CSV, it is a comma separated value. It is a comma separated values. I will show you how to make it. What do you mean by CSV file? So it is a comma separated values, and these values are separated by comma. And this file can be viewed. We can view the CSV file in normal Excel file. All right. But we will give the extension as CSV, comma separated value. All right. Now I will show you how to make a normal CSV file by using simple notepad. Okay. So what I will do is, here I have designed one small CSV file. So see, I will make this CSV file. So my topic is product ID, product name, price and quantity. All right. So product ID is P101, P102. Product name is toothbrush, toothpaste. Product price is 100 and 250. Quantity 2 and 2. So what I will do is, I will just copy this. Okay, copy, and I will open my notepad. See, all these datas are separated by comma. So it is a comma separated value. So after entering the, children, you have to know how to create a CSV file in normal notepad. Okay. So whatever the data you have to keep, just keep the data, just enter the data with comma, separated by comma. Now save the file. So I'm saving my file on the D drive, and I'm giving the name is product.csv. That is important. This .csv is very important. All right. Now save your file. Okay. So I have saved my file. Check it out. Now when I will open this file, it will be a normal Excel file. All right. Now see, this is my D drive, and this is the product. Just now I have created this CSV file. So if you open this file, you can able to see the content in the normal Excel file. Okay, so product ID, product name, product ID, product name, price and quantity. So this is the very easiest way how to create a CSV file. Now my next topic that I am going to discuss is that how I will import that CSV file from Excel file into my Python shell as a data frame. That is important. Children, questions used to come that how to import the CSV file as a data frame. So that is important. All right. Okay. So my next concept is this. So how to import that CSV file. So what you have to write is import pandas as PD. I will show you everything practically. Okay. Now what I will do is, I will just copy this because I have already I have written this coding. I will open my Python shell. This. So what you have to do is import pandas as PD. You have to import pandas. Okay. Now the most important function that you have to use is read underscore CSV. Your CSV is already there. Just now I have created my CSV. You have to give the path here. Where is your CSV file? So within single quotes, I will just give /. The name is product.csv. All right. Check it out whether the name is product or not. Otherwise, it will not come. Yes, product. Okay, so product dot CSV. So read underscore CSV. So date pandas object dot read underscore CSV. This read underscore CSV is a function of pandas library. For that reason, you have to write pandas object. PD is an object of this pandas library, and you have to keep this thing in a variable and then print this variable. Why? Because I am importing the CSV from that Excel file into my Python shell as a data frame. So that data frame will come in this variable, and I want to display it. All right, save your file and then execute. See, in this way, it will just, the CSV file, you can import it as a data frame in your Python file, in your Python shell. This is one of the easiest way how you can import your CSV file. So this is the concept called importing. Children class 12, this importing and exporting. Same way I will show you that I will do this vice versa process. I will make a data frame and I will export the data frame as a CSV. I will show that also. So these importing and exporting are very, very important part of your syllabus, and it is there in your syllabus. All right. Now next I will show is this one. Now children, I will show you how to create a CSV by using a data frame. So you have to create a data frame. From the data frame, you can, export from the data frame to a CSV file. Same process. So you can create a data frame by using list, by using dictionary. So I have used dictionary. All right. So I have used dictionary, and I will show you. So I will open the Python shell again. So here, let me change this, otherwise it will not come. So this is my dictionary. Okay, my key is name, and in the name I have taken 3 names. All right, children of class 12, I think you know how to create a data frame by using dictionary. I think you know this thing. So I have taken 2 keys. One key is name, another key is class, and it is a list, you know. So the value is a list, and this is a key. So key colon value, and it's a dictionary. So with the help of the dictionary, you can create a data frame. So my data frame is pd.dataframe, and I am putting this dictionary as a data frame. So with the help of that dictionary, I am creating a data frame. All right, my variable is where. Now what I will do is, when I am exporting from data frame to CSV, what I have to do is I have to write to underscore CSV, data frame object dot to underscore CSV. While I am exporting, while I am importing, I have to write pandas object dot read underscore CSV. When I want to export it from data frame to CSV, what I have to do is data frame object dot to underscore CSV. I have given the name is student in a D drive. So save your file and then execute it. All right, observe here on the D drive, just check it out whether it has come or not. Yes, see, the student has come. All right, check it out, see, student name and class. Children, these 0, 1 and 2, these are the index. All right, these are the index, and as because I have created a data frame from data frame to CSV, for that reason this index, it has come. I will show you in my next video, children, how to omit that index, and some more functions are there. That extra thing I will show you, children, that you have to know, class 12 students, you have to know that how to read and how to write in your CSV file. So in this way, by using dictionary, I have created a data frame. Class 12 children, I think you know very well that that how, with the help of the dictionary, you can create a data frame. Now, after creating the data frame, with the help of the data frame object to_CSV, so data frame object dot to_CSV, it is a function. With the help of that, you can convert, you can export your data frame into a CSV file. So you are exporting where you are putting your CSV file. So what you have to write, you have to give a path where you want to create this CSV file. So I want to create in D: student.csv will be the name of my file. Don't forget that to give the name, otherwise it will not be saved. Now, one parameter that if you write index equals to false, so what will happen, as because you are creating a data frame and with the help of the data frame you want to create a CSV file. So if you mention here index equals to false, so unnecessary that index 0, 1 to that index will not come. I will show you, children. Save your file and execute it. For the time being, I am just deactivating these 2 lines. I will show you what will be the output. I want to show you that how to export the data frame into a CSV. Okay, observe here. All right, now if I open my D drive and I open this student CSV, you can see that index it has not come. Okay, now if you just remove that, if you remove that index, that part, if you remove that part and observe here what will happen. Save your file and execute your file. Observe here. Now again I will open the CSV, Excel file. Now see, can you able to see the index it has come. So if you don't want that index unnecessary, the index will not come. So you have to give that parameter index equals to false. All right. Now this is the way how you can create. So you have to write here index equals to false, so that unnecessary index will not come. Now after creating the CSV, what you have to do, what I want to do is I want to read back my CSV into a data frame again. Okay, so what I have done, I have taken one variable t. So from the CSV, if I want to read, so I have to take the help of the function read_CSV, which is a function of pandas library. So you have to write pandas object pd dot read_CSV. So where the CSV file is, my CSV file is on the D drive, so d:/student.csv, that file I want to read. And when I'm reading, so it will come as a data frame. Okay, observe here. Save and execute. See, children, so my CSV now it has come as a data frame. All right. So when it is showing, I want to show it as a data frame, so it will come, the index will come. But though observe here, I have mentioned here index equals to false, but still if you want to read that CSV file as a data frame, the index will come. So these are the small things you have to keep in mind, children. See, when I am reading the CSV file as a data frame, so the index will come, as because data frame consists of indexes. So up to this, I have just tried to explain how to import a CSV file, how to export from the CSV file into data frame. So children, this part, these are there in the current syllabus. Go through my tutorial and practice the portion thoroughly. If there is any doubt, you can comment me. Okay, all right. And thank you and have a nice day.